The Klarity Revival Bespoke Mask Kit is the first test tube mask in Asia that enables you to be your own chemist in customizing the treatment mask best suited to your skin needs. The Bespoke Mask Kit comes complete with 5 bespoke mask sheets, 1 Klarity Test Tube, and 4 bespoke ampoules for whitening, firming, hydration, and acne control. Here's how to customize your very own treatment mask in 3 simple steps. Ready your face by thoroughly cleansing and patting it dry. You can apply toner if desired. The first step of customizing our bespoke mask is to pour the mask essence into the Klarity Test Tube. Let's separate our mask essence pack from the mask sheet pocket first. Matching the slanted line on the bottom half of the Advanced Revival mask sheet, fold and tear it open. Uncap the Klarity Test Tube and pour the essence in. The second step of customizing our bespoke mask is to add in the ampoules of our choice into the test tube. Using the mini dropper provided, extract 2 to 3 drops of the ampoule into the test tube. Cap the test tube and shake it up and down to mix the essence and ampoules well. The third step of customizing our bespoke mask is to add the mask sheet in. Simply remove the dry mask sheet from the top half of the Advanced Revival mask sheet. Roll it downwards, length or widthwise, and insert it into the test tube without pushing it further in. Turn the test tube upside down and let the Advanced Revival mask sheet absorb the essence. Once the mask sheet appears to be soaked, turn the test tube back up and remove the mask sheet while holding it against the test tube so extra essence will not be wasted. The leftover essence inside the test tube can be stored in the fridge for up to a week, hygienically separated from the other foods. It prevents wastage and is good for use as your moisturizer, makeup base, as well as sleeping mask. Open up the bespoke mask sheet and now it's ready. And with that, your very own customizable treatment mask designed to satisfy your skin needs is ready.